Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS 2000D, also known as the Rebel T7. This camera is tailored for those stepping into the world of DSLRs, promising impressive results right from the start. Boasting a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, the image quality is remarkable, capturing stunning detail and beautiful background blur. The 3.0-inch 920K LCD monitor makes framing shots a breeze, and with full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, you can bring your storytelling to life. The 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF ensure your subjects are sharp, while the extended ISO range up to 12,800 allows for flexibility in various shooting conditions. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, easily sharing your moments on social media through the Canon Camera Connect app. Need a remote control for that perfect group shot? Your smartphone has you covered. Now, let's talk about the complete bundle. Alongside the camera and the standard 18 to 55mm lens, you get a 2x professional telephoto lens and a high-definition 0.45x wide-angle lens for expanding your creative possibilities. The included accessories like the tripod, flash, and filters add versatility to your photography. It's a comprehensive kit to elevate your shooting experience. One thing to note is that this is the international model, which means no manufacturer's warranty, but the features and performance remain top-notch. If you're ready to step up your photography game, the Canon EOS 2000D Complete DSLR Kit might just be the perfect companion for your creative journey. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.